Now we are going to see about the compound interest. It's nothing but she borrowing some money, means initial money, means simple interest. So initial money from others. So a certain period you giving some particular amount, that is your compound interest. Okay. So they giving the compound interest is nothing but, so monthly it's having a different. Okay. So first year 10% you are going to giving your money means. So the next we are having a 2000, right? So 20,000 for 2000. So what is your amount first year? 2200. வட்டின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? So 2000 in first year for that certain amount interest means that's a vatti. Okay, so 2000. So total amount is what? 22,000. Okay, so next year, so 22,000 into 10% means 2,200. So it will be increasing. That's a component interest. But simple interest is nothing but, if you're having 4 years also, you are particularly giving 2,000 means 2,000 only increasing. So that's only they given. And so this is a normal compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So you are getting how much you are give the compound, means how much you are paying the certain periods of amount. That's a vaddin சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? That's only component. So they having lots of the types of component interest. So it's a annually, means yearly means. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Okay, so P is the principal, A is the amount, R is the rate, means that's a percentage, and N is the number of years, and C is a compound interest. C equal to amount minus principal. Off years, this is annually, this is off years means your power will be rise and denominator is 200. P into 1 plus R by 200 into 2 per n, off yearly, and this is a quarterly. Quarterly means 400 and 4n, 400 and 4n. Okay, you should remember this. It's a difference. Okay, when the interest component annually, but the rate of interest differs year by year. So year by year, so your rate percentages differ. So A is a 10% means B is a 20%, C is a 30%. So it's depends upon that taking taking some amount for that particular person. So yearly year it will differ. So that depends upon that you are calculate this. When interest is component annually, but time period is in fraction. Fraction means, so 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R by 100 means this is a percentage. R is a percentage, whole power. We are having a mixed fraction, right? So this is a A. So power A. So 1 plus B by C is the balance. B by C into your percentage R by 100. That's it. Okay. These are the formulas, and you should memorize these formulas. So application of the component. So if it is a increasing, means that's a P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Decreasing means P 1 minus R by 100 whole power n in your populations. Okay, I think if it is a decreasing means depreciation they will. So it is a growth means that's a normal growth. If it is a decreasing means that is a depreciation, like machines, vehicles. So depends upon the years. The means the vehicles and the motor, the capacity is decreased, means down, right? That is a depreciation. Depreciation means decrease the values. Okay, that's only the given. And the difference between component and simple interest, there are the two difference. There is no difference in CI and SI for the first year or the first conversation periods. Okay, first year and first conversation periods. For second year, first year is nothing to change, and second year we are having a difference like this. Okay, this is a formula, and the third year we are having a, this is a formula. Okay, I already mentioned in your formula. You will substitute in this place and find out. So came the first question. The compound interest on 5,000 at 12% per annum. Per annum means per year, for 2 years. Okay, so component annually is dashed. So annually, now only we know about the formula, that what's annually. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So I am taking P's, they are already given 5,000. So R is equal to 12%, N is equal to 2. So what's the formula? A is equal to P into 1 by 100 whole power n. Okay. So 5001 plus 12 by 100 whole power 2. So 5000 into this is 100 plus 12 by 100. So 5000 into 112 square, 100 square is a 10,000. So I can cancel these 3 zeros. So 5 into 112 into 112 because squaring. One time this is a 2 time. I can cancel this for 5. Right. 2 table 5, 1, 6. 56. So 56 into 113. Correct? So I can multiply 12 balance 1, 112 into, it's an easy way to write. 12 balance 1, 7, 8, 6, 10 balance 1, 5, 6. So what's the value? 56 into 112, 12 balance 1, 10. Difficult to find out, right? So 112 into 56. So 12 balance 1, 7, 6, 10 balance 1, 6, 5, 2, 7, 12. Okay, this is value, and they need a component annually. So component interest equal to A minus P. What's the A? Now only 72 minus 5000, right? So neglecting that 5000. So 2721. 1272. So what's the first answer? 1272. The component interest on 8000 had 10% per annum for 1 year. Component half yearly is. What's the half yearly formula? Half yearly formula is P1 plus R by 200 whole power n. Okay. So substitute that formula and get this answer. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 whole power 2n. So A is equal to P into what's the 1 value? 1. So 8000 into 1 plus R value is a 10 by 200 whole power 2 into 1. Okay. So 8200 plus this and this cancel. So 20 plus 1 by 20 the whole square, right? Then 8000 20 plus 1 21 by 20 into 20 into 21 0 0 cancel 4s are 20. So 20 into 21 into 21. 21 to 21 is what? 2, 2, 4. Right. 1, 4, 4 into 2. 2, 8, 8, 0. So 8, 8. Two zero. This is the answer for this. Okay. Then the annual rate of the growth population is this. Okay, they given the R equal to 10%. The present population is 26. So A is they given 26620 and the population of 3. So N is equal to 3. You are going to find out P. So you have to know the formula, right? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. A is equal to 26,620 equal to P into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole power 3. So P 26620. So 0 0 cancel. So 10 plus 1 by 10 Q So 26620, this P into 11 cube by 10 cube, that implies 26620 into 10 into 10 into 10. Cube is moving this place, okay, equal to division of this is coming down 11 P. Okay, so I can cancel in 11 table. In 11 table 22 2 times, so 44, 4 times 2 times, so 0. So again 22 2 times 0, again 2 times 0. So finally this is a 1000. Okay, 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. 1000 into 20, 20,000. So what's the answer? P is equal to 20,000. Okay. Then the component interest is calculated quarterly amount. Quarterly formula is, now only we learned, right? Quarterly formula is division 400 and the power reserve 4n. Now only I told. And the difference between CI and SI for 2 years for principal 5,000 at the rate of the 8%. So substitute in this formula and get this answer. So I already did. So P into R by 100. In this place P is a 5,000, R is a 8 by 100, the whole square. So I can squaring. So all the zeros are cancelled. This is for 2 times. Again cancelling this. So 4 into 8. Finally I'm getting a 32. So that's only I written in this place. And the depreciation values is calculated by the formula P into this. So I already told, in between we having a negative mean that the depreciation formula. So this is a true. If the presence of the city P, if it is increasing at the rate of percentage, then N also increasing. Okay, positive. Increasing means positive. So this is also true. The present value of the machine is this. The depreciation 25%. So by using the depreciations, you will find out this. Okay. While using the depreciation formula, you are getting a answer is. The answer is this means, okay, this is a P, ma. Okay, this is a P. Substitute in this formula. Okay, this is a P and 1 minus R by 100. What's the R value? 25 by 100 into what is here? 10. So finally we are getting depreciation worth is 9,000. Whether the answer is correct means true or false, you will find out. And the time taken for this. So 1000 is a P and 20% is a N. Componently annual. Componently annual means now only we saw the formulas, right? By using this formula, you will write that answer. Means what formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole per n, right? So R they given, 100 they give, means N they given, and P they is given. Then finally find out. Okay, subtract means finally find out whether it is equal to or not. Okay, and the component interest on the 16,000 for 9 and 20%. So substitute your quarterly formula whether it is correct or not. In if this answer is correct or not. So find out. The third question. The third question is what they given. Find the component interest on 3,200 at 2.5% per annum for 2 years. The component is annual. Okay. So what is the formula for that? So R is equal to 2.5% and N is equal to 2 years. Okay, so component annually means which formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole by n. Substitute your value and get this answer. What's the value? Say A is equal to, what's the P? 200 1 plus 2.5 by 100 whole power 2. Okay, and find out 3,200. So I want to remove my point. So multiplying, dividing 100 So 1 plus 25 by 1000 whole square thousand plus 25 200. In this place what I am having 1025 by 1000 into 1000, right? So I can cancel these points. 32 into 1025, 10 into 1000. Okay, so what can I do? I can cancel this in two tables. So 5 1 6 in 5 table. These are 2 0 5 because 25. Okay, 205. So I can cancel by using this. In 5 table 2 00 4 41. Again a 5 table 24 4 0. In this place 205. Again a 5 table 8 24 4 1 times 8 table 2 times. So finally what I am getting 2 into 41 into 41 41 into 41 1 4 4 8 6 1 into 2 2 16 13 3. So 3362. Okay. Then we know component interest. How can we write? A minus P. So how much you are getting? 261 162. That's it.